someone somewhere somehow uyayibuza ukuthi ngoba umuntu akaplakiwe kugesi kodwa manje uyamuva uyakhuluma uyezwa is animated is moving kwenzeka kanjani? Yeah, that is just a very genius and intriguing question. Yeah, we are not crazy. Umuntu ke unento ebizwa ngoprana okuyi-bioelectricity and animating force ekuyena emenza ukuthi abe animated kanje, of which uma yamshiya leyo animating force, that's bioelectricity, uvela acishise nje okwayi-appliance nje nya yabo. And then uma uthi iyona leyo bioelectricity eshisayo la ezandleni, so ke nayo ke le bioelectricity lo prana lo unama channels omuva kuona la emzimbeni womuntu okuthiwa ama meridians. Lo ma channels ke ayablocka now, and me blockile kwenzeka all kinds of things, crazy stuffs in somebody's life yabo. Njengoba wazi ukuthi nogesi uma ngabe ukuthi kune short circuit somewhere iyabhasta amanzi, makukhona iblockage ekhona backflow and all of those things. So namhlanje ke ngizokhuluma ngepranayama ke nama benefits akhona kumuntu ngalesi sikhathi, ubingelele changes akhasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo isiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Okay, asiqale lana. Ipranayama, it helps ukuthi ivule lawo ma channels ukuthi ukwazi ukuflowa lento engithi uprana, ivule lawo ma meridians lawo bese kuflowa uprana freely kuwena, ukwazi ukuzizwa u like connected, guided, and like alive. You are more alive if you are connected to this, and the prana is flowing freely kuwena. Even in the skin sakho siba nakho ukuthokoza sishintshe nje because of you wenza ipranayama. Ipranayama ke it's a breathing techniques, ngoba igama lisho nje prana means a life force or breathing, and then yama is techniques yabo pranayama. There are different types of in pranayama, focusing on different aspects of umuntu. Okwesibili ke ngaphezulu ukuthi kuvula ama channels lawo, okwesibili ukuthi ku balance your left and right brain hemisphere. Okwesibili ngoba siyazi ukuthi Chandra okuyi masculine side of you, fire, sun yabo, Chandra, and Surya okuyi feminine emotional side of you, that's the moon yabo. That's your like right brain hemisphere. The first one is the left brain hemisphere yabo, dealing with the logic and reasoning. So ma ubalance ke lezo zinto zoku-2 lezo through pranayama as one of the techniques amongst others. So uba with balance, you think and do, you imagine and act on your imagination, like you everything works in harmony yabo. Awumuntu ucabanga kuphela ngenzi, noma umuntu wenza kuphela engacabangile, thola ukuthi wenza to the point ukuthi ucreate chaos yabo. Ayikho energy yakho ayi-waste, because there's nothing like imaginative behind the usage of energy yakhe yabo. Okunye ke futhi esingakubalula ngayo pranayama ilokho ukuthi i-regulate nervous system yakho. I-nervous system yakho is being regulated yabo. Njengokuthi nje ube calm, umuntu wazi ukucontrola i-breathing yakhe, that person is able to control his or her life yabo, if you are able to control your breathing. So because once you are able to control your breathing, you regulate your nervous system, so that's when uzokujwayela ungabe impulsive and reactional out of unforeseeable circumstances and turbulences yabo. So you'll be able to calm your nervous system, not to be triggered and be reactive, ibe kwi fight or flight mode, easy like that, and then reasoning yako it shuts it down, and then you find yourself using only in a reptilian brain, right? Uyakwazi ukuthi uyibuke ube logical, ube calm, usolve problem, i-challenge udlule kuyona with navigate through it with ease. Okunye futhi i-pranayama engakusiza kona ilokho ukuthi it balances your elements, like your fire, earth, air and water. So if you are born, these elements, because of the shock that is happening mawufika la emhlabeni, those elements may be unevenly distributed, because you have too much fire or less of air, or too much of this and less of this, so they get to be in balance and in harmony. Well, futhi another thing on top of futhi pranayama balance ama elements akho, it can also help ukwenzani to open your third eye, your spiritual eye, because pure unevenly when it comes to the sixth sense, the extrasensory perception that has to do with your pineal gland. Ukuthola ukuthi abanye bane clairvoyance, claircognizance, clairaudience, clairsentience, yabo lo nto ama clairs, ama clear hearing, lokho it has to do with your sixth sense, your spiritual eye. Yabo uthola uyakwazi ukuthi ugcine usukwazi ukuzwa without ukuzwa ngendlebe, but you hear beyond than that. You find yourself knowing manzo there's something telling you, like you see things but without you seeing with your eyes, but you see things from the spiritual domain, your spiritual realm, and also your dreams here and there, and synchronicities. So you become like spiritually connected and well established spiritually. Yabo lekelela futhi lapho. Okunye futhi ke it also helps ukundalini wakho, that's coil energy lapha ezantsi. So it also helps to raise it up, and then you live in heaven, state nje sakho ogcina uyithola usukusona, because the heaven and earth are within you. So the earth is down there, the heaven is up there, so there's something different. Even the way you perceive time is might be very different, yabo. So i-pranayama ke le esiyenzayo kunema channels ekuthiwa i-main channel la kuthi usushumna kuwena, yabo. These channels are not the physical channels, yabo, the spiritual channels. Sushumna la kube khona uIda, kube khona uPingala. So sushumna is la straight phezulu, but Ida and Pingala, they are coming to your nostrils, yabo. That is why your nostrils sometimes uthothi kuvulekile kakhulu, uphinde alternate kuvulekile kakhulu. Uthothi in most cases they are not like kuba kancane nje la khona iqondene khona, but uthola so lonto isuke ikutshela ukuthile ke based on your left and right brain hemisphere, yabo. Ngoba le nostril le lo senza ama breathing techniques nje, ukuphefumula kubalekile. It's what lokungana makes you to be alive like this. You just breathe, yabo. So masithi like your left nostril corresponds with your right brain hemisphere, and then your right nostril correspond with your left brain hemisphere. So shuthi ke your surya, I mean your Pingala, yabo, your Pingala goes straight kwi left nostril le hamsana no right, and then your Ida goes this way. So lama channels are 3 akuwena la. So okay, that is why I've decided khona nokunye engikushile la engakubalanga. Yeah, but maybe there are so many benefits, but I've decided to count only these ones that I was able to remember from my head. So that is why I'm trying to help people every Mondays and Thursdays at 7 p.m. on YouTube. I'm changing the cash on YouTube. So obviously you need to be a channel member, because I'm doing something for channel members because they have been there already without me recognizing them. So yeah, so that's it. So ingoba ngangishilo ukuthi ngizoyenza i-video ephathelene ne-pranayama, ukuthi why do we even do i-pranayama, because I've explained about why do we balance in ama chakras. Yeah, I think